What's up guys, welcome back to Gourmet Grind. This episode is gonna be a St. Paddy's Day special. Today we have a special traditional Irish dish called champ, because it is the champ of mashed potatoes. So let's begin. So obviously we're making mashed potatoes, so we're gonna peel our potatoes. We're also gonna cut the potatoes into nice small pieces just so that everything cooks a little bit faster. It doesn't really matter because it's all gonna be mashed potatoes anyways. All right, so we're almost done. We just poured out the water from the potatoes. Now we're gonna go in and prepare our scallions. So for this, we're gonna use the front half of the scallions for the potatoes while we mix it with butter and milk. And then we're gonna use some of these greener parts for the garnish at the end. So we're gonna cut these very, very finely, get rid of these front ends. And we're gonna bunch everything together, use our little claw technique that we keep talking about. And we're gonna keep the front end of the knife on the table and just rock back and forth and just guide your fingers back. So this is where all the flavor goodness comes together, and we're gonna mash everything in the pot, and we're gonna add butter, milk, and our scallions. So we're first gonna give everything a nice little mash, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and add our salt. Mix that all in with each other. It's very thick now, but it's gonna get lightened up with the milk later. So now we just need to add the butter. All right guys, so now we have the butter from Yaroon. Exciting, I guess. And now we're just gonna add in a little bit of whole milk, just enough to make everything nice and creamy. You probably want about 1/4 to a half pint of milk. And we're gonna mix all this in. I have my stove on a medium-high temperature, and I'm continually mixing, and it'll become a very nice and creamy texture. Now we're gonna add in a little bit more salt, and it was a little bit of pepper. Mix all that nicely in there. Now we're gonna throw in our scallions. Remember, the lighter scallions are the one we're using for the cooking. Now, to make this the ultimate creamy dish, we want to put this through a sieve. This is how you get the super restaurant style kind of creamy potatoes. So we're just pushing everything through the sieve, kind of eliminate all the lumps. So all of the residual potatoes are going to be coming through the other side, and we're just gonna scrape that off. So it's just taking your rubber spatula, you're kind of pressing everything to the other side. So if we turn it over, you can see all that creamy potato. All right, we're gonna get this all finished up, and we're gonna go cut straight away to our plating process. Just for the plating right here, we're just gonna take a big spoon, and we're gonna just start transferring everything over. Now we're just gonna take the back of the spoon and just kind of start fanning everything together. Now we're gonna take some of our leftover scallion tips, so don't throw these away. And all you want to do to make these look nice and fancy is you're gonna just cut these at a diagonal angle. So just place your knife at one end and just cut through to the other. Simple as that. very nice and sleek. Kind of have everything the same length as well. And we're gonna kind of just stick these in. And then we're gonna garnish with some of our more green scallions all over the top right here. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the traditional Irish mashed potato called champ, and I hope you enjoyed the episode. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Have a happy St. Patrick's Day. Enjoy.